So in today's video, if you cannot do this magic ring like this, I will show you another way you can start your amigurumi. So we will take a hook, then we will not make this. For beginners, until you learn how to make the magic ring, I suggest it will be easier if you make a starting knot, then you chain 2, 1 and 2, and now you work the first 6 or 7 single crochets in the first hook or the second hook from the hook. Yeah, so like this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and as you can see, you will have the same as a magic ring, just that the hole is a bit bigger, and that you can sew at the end. And now see, it's much easier when you start by chaining 2 and work in the second chain from the hook. You get the same effect of working in rounds. The only thing that is different, and you will have to sew it at the end, it's this little hole here. So enjoy, and for more videos like this, please hit the like button and comment if this helped you.